hair loss and hair regrowth is solved. The codes have been cracked. We know how to solve this issue. We know what to do. But a lot of us are not doing it, and companies are misleading us and just trying to sell us a pipe dream. They're also just wanting to take your money and keep you confused. But I will tell you something that will make you feel like you understand hair loss and you understand what it takes to regrow hair. I suffered from hair loss for many years, decades, and I am growing my hair back. It is not all back yet, but it is coming in. I have regenerated a lot of my hair back. I've had balding areas come back in, and they continue to come back in. I want to show you a very powerful image, and this will maybe help make more sense and put this in your head in a way that you will really understand it and you will know what to do. Look at this image. So here is the key to regrowing hair. You have this image here of a normal scalp with blood vessels that come up quite far above the hair follicle and into the hair follicle. The depth of the hair follicle goes 3 to 4 millimeters into the scalp. When we get to a point of losing hair, we are degrading these blood vessels. We are degrading our scalp. So what happens is these blood vessels shrink immensely, and the blood supply to the follicle is really hindered. And what happens is this follicle shrinks massively. So as you can see, it's less than half of where it should be in depth, and the blood vessels are barely holding on. There's a very small sliver of blood vessel that go to this hair follicle, and it is starved. What happens is this is just getting barely just to keep this thing just a tiny bit alive. And what we got to do is bring back these blood vessels and regenerate them to make this follicle grow again and extend deeper into the scalp. So we have to regenerate this scalp to a point where this follicle is not starving anymore. And this is showing a follicle that will be in the balding areas. And in these balding areas, we have they're called vellus hairs. They're very, very tiny. They could be below the scalp or just barely above the scalp, little tiny colorless hairs. And what we want to do is we want to revive these hairs. And the reason that they have been shrunken so much is the fact that your follicles have been taking a beating by the scalp being sent into a point of disfigurement, sent into a point of destruction. And what this means is the scalp is basically getting compacted like compacted soil. And what happens is the scalp is subject to microinflammation. And then what happens is those of us that are sensitive to DHT this DHT attacks this area and builds up scar tissue where the microinflammation is. And there's many factors in our lifestyle that can attribute to this microinflammation. Somebody with a really crappy diet can have a full head of hair because they're not DHT sensitive. And those of us with a really good diet can still get inflammation, and we have to fight to keep our hair, and we're losing our hair even if we have like a semi-good lifestyle, not a crappy lifestyle like this other person with a full head of hair. But we have to really work at it. So that is a big problem with it, is our lifestyle. But also, if you got to a certain point where you've lost a lot of hair through genetics. Genetics is also another factor in losing hair. I am genetically prone to losing hair. My brothers aren't. I am. They have my father's hair. I have my mother's side hair, and I am subjected to hair loss, unfortunately. But I am getting it back. So that is great. So the thing is to rebuild this scalp tissue, to regenerate these blood vessels. I've come across some things that I've been able to do to regenerate them, regenerate these blood vessels, regenerate my scalp. And what I've found is inversion is what I do is flip upside down on an inversion table to get maximum blood flow to the head. And I just found this out on a fluke when I was fixing my back. I worked on pulling my spine vertebrae apart, and I noticed after a couple months I saw some new hairs coming in. And then that took me down the rabbit hole of discovering all these other things that help it even more. So then I got into microneedling, which boosts stem cell activity in the head, in the scalp specifically, not the head, but that's part of the head. So that helps. Also, deep scalp massage. I'm doing deep scalp massage while I'm upside down, and this breaks up the scar tissue. It moves the scalp around in a way that it helps regenerate it, softens up those compacted tissue to bring in blood flow. And another thing I do is I take blood flow supplements to get maximum blood flow and open up those blood vessels to get maximum blood flow to the head, to the scalp. And this really, really helps. And I found that it is very powerful. It's a very, very powerful way to regenerate the scalp tissue. And it's really amazing. And I found that minoxidil didn't work for me. I went way past the point of using DHT blockers, which is kind of a hack. If you even want to still live a crappy lifestyle, you can cheat it, but there's other drawbacks from that. Why not just live a healthy lifestyle? So I also improve my diet immensely. I work out now. I'm a biohacker. I do everything I think I should do for health. I think I do everything I should do for health. And this really helps out because anything to do with health, regeneration of the body helps regenerate the scalp tissue, and that helps your hair grow. Instead of like having a bad lawn with all dead spots and just looking like crap, you have a nice soil to grow a golf course. Nice grass like a golf course. That's the key here. So all these things that I do are very helpful to regrow hair, and it will totally stop hair loss. I am no longer losing hair. I am regaining hair. I am regenerating areas that have lost all the hair because I have dormant hair follicles in those places. And these dormant follicles are gradually waking up. They're waking up little by little. Each one is growing a little bit more, and then getting a little bit more strength. And then something Uh, then there's the follicles that have been dormant for 2 decades. They are gradually, one by one, being woken up from the dead, and they are coming back, and that is amazing. I just kind of amazed at what's happening because I didn't think this was possible. So I share all this stuff. I have a simple process that you could just see this free download in my profile, and also put this in my uh, YouTube, in this video in the description, and also my diet. So the download is called Hair Regrowth Max, and the diet download is called Simple Diet. Download both of those, take a look at them, and if you implement this into your lifestyle and you're consistent, you stick with it, you will have results. You really will. You just got to stick with it, and don't try to change the program, because I have guys that just, oh, can I do this and not do that, or do this? Well, you're going to have better results if you do everything. And don't mess around with these things like red light and oils and things like that. They're just low tier methods that won't really give you the results that I'm talking about. I'm talking about just working on the foundation. The foundation is the scalp, and the feeding mechanism to these dormant follicles and all your hair follicles is these blood vessels. These blood vessels have to be regenerated. These blood vessels have to be kept healthy. If they're not kept healthy, or if they're near death, they have to be revived. They just got to be. That's the only reason that your hair is falling out and your hair is having so many issues, is because they don't have something to feed them. They need food. They need to survive. And that's really what you know. And that's really what you need to know about hair loss. Just picture this image that I showed you of the hair follicle with the blood vessels going through it. This is simple. It's not rocket science. These blood vessels have to be working properly in order to feed your hair follicles. It's simple as that. So just really look into that and really understand it and implement this into your scalp and your lifestyle, and you will have results. I am working on something else that will help you more understand this process and really help you implement it. I've taken all my material and I'm compounding it into just a really bullet point, small, simple process that you can go through in less than an hour that'll force this stuff into your head. Because I've been finding people have been jumping around in my material and picking this, picking that, not understanding. I'm getting questions every day. It's just, I'm sick of asking the same questions all the time. So this will probably be ready before the end of the month. I'm pushing to get it ready, and this will force you to learn it. It'll force you to pay attention, and you will regrow hair. You will stop all your hair loss. Simple as that. It works. I'm not giving you any bullshit. It works. And you have to understand this if you want to regrow hair. Thank you. Have an awesome day. I'll see you next time.